Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have these quit smoking patches, and these are 30 patches. It looks like it says it controls your cravings, so I think they've got nicotine in it. This is a step one, so it's probably got the most potent version of the nicotine in there. And it's, you get 30 patches, and they are small. That comes in a big box, but they're small patches, and it lasts for 24 hours. So the way these work is you have this little patch here. You can kind of see it right there. It's kind of just flesh colored there, and you unpeel it. I don't smoke that much, so this is for somebody else, but I don't smoke at all. This is for somebody else. But you take the little patch there, and you can put it like up here or something like that, or on your chest, wherever you feel like you need it. I think some people put it on the back of their neck there, or pretty much anywhere where it's gonna soak in the nicotine. I guess, I don't know if it works when you sweat or just soaks it in. I mean, people have been using these patches with the medicine on them for a long time. So that's the way it kind of works. So it will do that. It will help stop your cravings for the smoking. So that's kind of cool. So it says controls cravings, fights withdrawal symptoms, and 100% natural plant-based. I guess cigarettes are too, if you look at it that way. They're from tobacco. So, but you get the idea. That's the way these are here, and it comes with 30 of these, so you're good. And so if you want to stop smoking, hopefully you do. If you do smoke, stop smoking. And these will help you out, so these are cool. Thumbs up.